When Prophet Abraham, peace be upon him, broke the idols of his people and said, I do not believe in what you worship, my Lord is only one, Allah. Let Abraham be burned in the fire. The people prepared a huge fire for several days. So big that it was difficult to even approach it. They began to throw Prophet Abraham, peace be upon him, into the fire with a catapult, a large projectile throwing device. But as soon as Prophet Abraham, peace be upon him, fell into the fire, Allah Almighty commanded the fire, O fire, be cool and be peaceful upon Abraham. Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 69, and the fire, which used to burn everything, became a garden for Hazrat Ibrahim, as. The people were amazed. They thought that Ibrahim had perished, but he was sitting safely inside the fire. Lesson: he who trusts in Allah, Allah will never leave him alone. Problems will come, but Allah's help will be with him.